Now let's look at NCERT solutions for exercise 5.3, starting with the first problem. The question is 2x plus 3y is equal to sin x. Find dy by dx. So we need to find the derivative of all these functions. So start differentiating on both the sides. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x, we get 2 into derivative of x is, so d by dx of x, plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin x. So 2 into derivative of x is 1, plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to derivative of sin x is going to be cos x, which implies dy by dx will be equal to cos x minus 2 whole divided by 3. So this is the required answer. Similarly, the second problem is 2x plus 3y is equal to sin y. So again differentiating on both sides with respect to x, we get 2 into derivative of x with respect to x plus 3 into derivative of y with respect to x is equal to d by dx of sin y. So 2 into derivative of x is 1 plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to derivative of sin y is cos y into derivative of y is dy by dx, applying chain rule. So this term goes to the other side. 2 will be equal to, taking out dy by dx common on other side, you will get cos y minus 3, which implies dy by dx is equal to 2 divided by cos y minus 3. So this is the required answer. Third question, find derivative of ax plus by square is equal to cos y. So again differentiating on both the sides, d by dx of ax plus by square is equal to d by dx of cos y. So derivative of ax is a plus b into d by dx of y square is equal to d by dx of cos y, that is minus sin y into dy by dx. So a plus b into derivative of y is 2y into dy by dx is equal to minus sin y into dy by dx. So taking dy by dx to the other side, you will get a is equal to dy by dx into minus sin y minus 2b into y. So which implies dy by dx will be equal to a divided by minus of sin y plus 2by. So it will be sin y plus 2by. I put the minus sign in the numerator. So this is the required answer.